Terraform Basics US DevOps Infrastructure Automation Guide. So, Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code tool that allows US DevOps teams to define, provision, and manage cloud and on premises resources using declarative configuration files. So, here's its pros and cons. It has infrastructure as code, a multi cloud support, a vision control friendly, automation and scalability, and offers extensive module ecosystem. So here's how it works. As you can see in the graph or the visuals, you can see how Terraform works. And here's the tutorial. So basically you need to install Terraform and set up an account on any cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or GCP or the Google Cloud. Then you want to configure it, write configuration files, initialize the Terraform, then run the Terraform plan. You can create resources with Terraform apply or just delete resources using Terraform destroy. And it's that simple. Now let's talk about its cons though. For the cons, it requires a learning curve. Beginners may struggle with how it works on its syntax. It also has a state management complexity, which is mismanaged with the state files. And overall, it is essential for US DevOps teams aiming for efficient, scalable, and automated infrastructure managements. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.